Hello everyone, welcome to Des English. This lesson we are learning about using better words instead of very. Very is a great word in English. It's a simple way to make adjectives stronger and to convey a stronger impression. For example, very hot emphasizes the high temperature. Using the word very is a common habit, but it often doesn't help us express ourselves well. Using more specific words can make our communication more interesting and understandable. Here are the example of what to use instead of very hot to make your descriptions more vivid and precise. Sweltering. In the summer, it's sweltering in the office. Using this alternative can provide a more detailed and colorful description of hot temperatures. Don't settle for very when you can express yourself brilliantly. Here are some examples of words that can be used instead of very to describe something without directly replacing it. Very good. Excellent. Outstanding. Say goodbye to the overused very good and embrace excellent. Discover how this change can make descriptions more precise and impactful. An excellent book. Very bad. Awful. Terrible. Saying awful instead of very bad can make your words stronger. The food was awful. Very big. Large. Massive. I hope this isn't a massive problem. Very small. Petite. Minuscule. She is petite. Very hot. Scorching. Sizzling. It is scorching today. Very cold. Chilly. Freezing. It's freezing in here. Very happy. Delighted. Thrilled. I'm absolutely delighted that you can come. I'm absolutely thrilled that you are coming. Very sad. Heartbroken. Devastated. She was utterly devastated when her father died. Very tired. Exhausted. Drained. You look completely drained, why don't you go to bed? Very hungry. Starving. Famished. When's the food coming? I'm starving. Very slow. Sluggish. Gradual. The economy remains sluggish. Very fast. Rapid. Swift. The doctor's swift action saved his life. Very smart. Intelligent. Brilliant. What a brilliant idea. Very stupid. Ridiculous. Absurd. Don't be so ridiculous. Very scared. terrified, petrified. I'm petrified of snakes. Very important, crucial, vital. A crucial decision. Very difficult, challenging, demanding. Challenging problems. Very busy, hectic, swamped. A hectic schedule. She is swamped. Very beautiful, gorgeous, stunning. You look gorgeous in this picture. Very interesting, fascinating, captivating. Egypt is the most fascinating place I have ever been to. Very expensive, pricey, costly. I think this is costly. Very tasty, delicious, scrumptious. A scrumptious apple pie. Very angry, furious, enraged. He got furious. Very long, extended, lengthy. A lengthy discussion. Very funny, hilarious, amusing. The film was hilarious. Very old, ancient, historic. Ancient traditions. Very clean, immaculate, spotless. Her home is spotless. Very wet, drenched, soaked. Your clothes are soaked. That's everything for this lesson. Thank you so much for watching. There is more about this at www.desenglish.com. See you next time. Goodbye.